Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what's in my Laundromat business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And after that, we'll dive into the details of the Laundromat business plan template, and I'll share with y'all what's inside of it. All right, let's get started. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Laundromat business plan template. So the Laundromat business plan template, it has two files in it. The first file is going to be your Word document, which is the actual business plan. And then you also have the Excel file, and the Excel file is the financial model. And I do cover the financial model in a separate video. So like I said, if you do purchase the Laundromat business plan template, once you open it up, you're going to be greeted by the title page. On the title page, it's going to have a spot right here for your name of your company. Underneath that, you're going to go ahead and have your logo. Just a placeholder for the logo. Put whatever logo you like on there. And then finally, it says business plan underneath, and just to let the reader know what kind of document you're actually looking at. Oops, don't want to do that. Next page is going to be your title page. I'm sorry, your table of contents. So once you add a little bit of meat to the bone to the business plan template, you want to come over to the table of contents, click on it, click on update table, click on update the entire table, click on OK. And then once you do that, all of the headers and all of the page numbers are going to update accordingly. Just keep in mind that in with this template, you do need Microsoft Word in order to make the changes properly. Your next page is going to be your executive summary. In your executive summary, I've got a spot right here for your Laundromat summary, your target market, financial highlights, and funding requests. So I'll give you a real good starting point for to summarize your business in its totality. Anywhere you see highlight yellows, I recommend you all change that to make the align with your organization. And let's see here, what else we got? The next section is going to be your company description. Again, you've got your Laundromat, your summary for your business, popular services offered. I do use ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, for some of the writing in the template. It just spruces it up a little bit more. I got a competitive advantage segment, primary target market section for you, pricing strategy section, hours of operation, location discussion segment, and then also here we've got your business objectives and timeline. And this is just a snippet of a strategic plan nested inside of your business plan. Next second segment is your industry analysis. So in the industry analysis, I do use IBIS World for that information. I access the report they have there. I'll summarize it, and I put that information into the template. And I do get the latest information for it in your revenues, your profit margin, businesses, employment, and so on. So this information, as of this video, is up to date. SWOT analysis, your strength, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threat is smart art. Just click on it, hit the little arrow right here, and just go ahead and put your information there and update it accordingly. And like I said, it give you a good starting point, but you just go ahead and take it from there. Your next segment is going to be organizational structure, where your company is located, type of business structure you're using, and an owner name segment. And then you've got an operational chart right here. Again, smart art, you click on it, you click on the arrow, and then you update the smart art accordingly. We're at the marketing segment. Typically for a laundromat, you're going to be doing your internet, and your social media marketing. And again, I've got this a great starting point for each one of those segments for you. Next section is going to be a funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? What are the terms that you're expecting? And like I said, just highlighted areas, update definitely. The rest of it, it is in a Word document, is editable. You just not just go for it and make your corrections as needed. And then finally, we've got our financial projections. Financial projections is going to come from the financial model. And the financial model will be right here. And again, I covered this in a separate video, but you just update the darker colored areas once you're done with that. Then you'll have your profit and loss section that you'll do, and you just copy it right here. Your profit and loss or your income statement, you just hit your, just copy it, and you get rid of the old section right here. And then, let's see here. So once you make all your changes, you'll get rid of this right here and then hit Control V. And now you've got your financial projections updated with your information. Like I said, those details I'll cover in a separate video. But you would do that for your profit loss for year 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 for your profit and loss, and then also your pro forma income statement. You'd copy that from your financial model once you're up to date with it. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.